Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School E-class of Standard 4th subject Science, and today's our topic is flowers and fruits. My dear students, before this session we have learned the topic plants, and in that we have learned the different types of roots, that is taproot and fibrous root. Today we are going to start with a new topic and new part of the plant, that is called as flowers. Flowers is the beautiful and colorful part of the plant. As soon as you see the flowers, because flowers are very attractive, yourself you can't stop yourself, you are also get attracted towards that flowers, and you try to take the fragrance of that flower, because flowers has a very pleasant fragrance. Some flowers are not very attractive, it means they are not having some attractive color, they are having a simple color only. See, for example, champa and chameli. In picture you can see the picture of the champa and chameli. They are not very colorful, but they have a very good pleasant fragrance. But how does this flower is being developed? From the branches, from the branch side buds arises, and from the buds flowers is being developed. See, you can see in the picture there are the different types of the flowers buds. See, the bud of the rose, bud of different flowers are of different size and shape. It means the buds of different flowers vary in their size and shape. See, as you can see, the bud is covered by the green leaves. See, the first one, the bud of that flower, rose flower, is being covered by the leaves, green leaves. These leaves protect the bud and help it to bloom into flower. It means the bud is then being converted into flower. Flower have different shapes and different size. See, the flowers of rose is different, flower of champa is different, flower of chameli is different size, different shape, isn't it? So it states that flowers of different plants are having different shapes and different size. Some flower bloom singly, means they grown up single, but in some plants flowers bloom in bunches. You can see in the picture the flowers are in the bunches. Seasonal flower, every flower is not available throughout the year, they grown up or they comes in a particular season only. For example, China rose, lily, sadabahar comes in the summer season. So this is summer season flowers. Now some flowers comes in winter also, like dahlia, rose, these are winter season flower. Flower has a many use. Flowers are used for making perfumes, because flower has a very pleasant fragrance. So flowers are used for making perfumes. Example, rose, jasmine, kevra and lavender are the flowers which are used for making the perfumes. Uses of another use of flower. Some flower are being used as the vegetables in many part of the India. For example, kachnar, banana and shaja flowers. You can see in the picture these type of flowers can be used, are used as the vegetable in many parts of a country. Flowers are also used in making the cosmetic. It means the cream you use for your face or any other cosmetic items. Flowers is also used for making the colors, natural colors, dyes, to dye the clothes. For example, marigold and zinnia are the flowers used. Flowers are also used for decoration purpose. See, whatever with the festival, first as soon as the festival comes, we think about the flowers for decoration. Any festival like Ganpati, Diwali, Eid, we needs flower. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.